introduce it here, okay? So the right brain function, you got feeling and emotion, the really over emotional, like thespian side of the brain is your right side of the brain. If they're like, oh my gosh, you're so dramatic and you're so overreactive or you're so emotional, that's your right brain firing. Like, oh, but what about this? And oh my gosh, I just feel this. I'm just so sorry. That's the right side of your brain. It's also the side of the brain that deals with more empathy and caring and sympathy. Like it's the mothering or nurturing side of the brain. People who are just naturally more nurturing and they want to like coddle you more or just take care of you and they always have something there to help you with. That's someone who's more right brain dominant. It's a big picture side of the brain, so it sees everything. Like right brain people see all these different things behind me, all this different stuff, and they see all the different deals here, and they're like, hey, there's a lot of different oils out there that are kind of off, and oh, what if that thing falls off on his head? And hey, that globe right there is kind of small, it doesn't fit in there, and it looks at all the different stuff at one time. Okay, the right side of the brain is the creative side of the brain. It's more dealing with colors. It likes bright colors, like my orange cup here. It likes highlighters. If you're a right brain dominant person, you highlight with lots of colors. You have the whole kit of all the different colors, and you like blue and purple and green and yellow and red and orange and all the highlighters. You're going to find that left brain dominant people aren't like that. Okay. Right brain dominant people on that right side of the brain likes to use paper that's blank, like to write on it and draw on it and create things on blank paper because you want to be creative and you don't like to be locked in unless you're doing specific work. And then lined paper is helpful to be able to create that boundary for you, right?